In this video, I'm going to show you how to save and fill payment methods in Google Chrome so you can check out faster and fill card details automatically when you need them. This is a simple Chrome feature, but a lot of people don't know exactly where to find it or how to turn it on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enable payment autofill and add a new payment card step by step. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where all of your browser settings can be found. From here, click Settings. On the Settings page, you'll want to find the Autofill and Password section. This is where Chrome keeps your saved information for addresses, passwords, and payment details. Click Autofill and Passwords, then choose Payments. Inside the Payments menu, you'll see an option called Save and Fill Payment Methods. Turn this on. Enabling this setting allows Google Chrome to securely save your payment details and automatically fill them in when you're shopping online or checking out on supported websites. After turning that on, the next step is to add your payment card. On the same settings page, look for the Payment Methods section. Here, click the Add button. A form will appear where you can enter your card information. Type in the cardholder name exactly as it appears on your card, then enter the card number, expiration date, and billing address. Make sure all the details are correct before continuing, because even a small mistake can cause autofill to fail later. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google Chrome will now store that payment method and can use it for future autofill prompts when supported. If you ever need to manage your cards later, you can always come back to this same payment section to edit, remove, or add new payment methods. This is especially useful if you switch cards, move to a new billing address, or want to keep multiple payment options ready for online shopping. So to recap, you turned on Save and Fill payment methods in Chrome, added a new card, and saved it for faster checkout in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.